I don't feel like making this video right now. What? He's not feeling making this video right now? He should be passionate making this video right now. He should be passionate making this video right now. Well, now I feel better about making the video right now because I started it. And that's my thing. Like, I was like, oh, I want to make a YouTube video, but I don't feel like it. I need to eat. I'm hungry. But I said I'll make a video and it's still light. So I got to make the video now. And that's what I teach you guys. Don't listen to the pattern of the brain. Right? We show our brain that we can do the things we want to do no matter what feeling, no matter tired. So that's how you develop emotional fitness. It's about having any emotions, any thoughts, and doing the video anyway. And if that's all I would tell you today, that will be of value. The video doesn't have to be perfect. Maybe the brain says, oh, it has to be perfect. It has to be good enough. You have to feel like it. Blah, 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 blah. No. You're showing your brain that you're good enough by making it. And the more you're making it, the more you become a person who does YouTube. The more you become a person who does social media. You're showing your brain, not your brain shows you. I remember the story of Aaron Doherty. He's a YouTuber. Back in the day, he didn't have a lot of followers, like 12 followers, right? And his sister was like, oh, are you gonna go to your room, make videos for your 12 followers? And he was like, fuck it, I'm gonna make a video every day just to show my brain that that's what I'm doing. Show your brain that that's what you're doing. Now he has millions of followers, right? It's about giving value. It's about doing what you value, okay? I don't necessarily, this example was not because I agree with a lot of Aaron Doherty's videos. I actually don't. But it was an example of someone who does the things he values. He just came on my mind because I heard him telling that story. So think yourself right now. What are things that you're saying, oh, this is so important. I need to be in a certain state. I need to be in the right vibe. I need to have this. You're showing your brain that way that you don't trust yourself. Because even next time when you say, oh, now I have the right vibe, the brain's like, are you sure? Are you sure? Because this could be different. This could be different. And the more of things you say you have to have in place to do something, the more doubt your brain will send you. So practice making it about the actions. Don't get up in the morning and like stay in the bed, thinking about things, having anxiety, scrolling on social media to make boredom feel better. All of these things are compulsions. Get up and do something to grow your business, your social media, your friends, relationships, your family relationships, your romantic relationships, your business, your physical fitness. Do actions no matter how you feel. That's how you break your patterns, and that's how you show your brain. See? I made it. I did it. Made a YouTube video. And now go out and do your own video. Don't just take this video as, oh, I'm so good. I just watched someone doing something that even though they didn't feel like it, they gave me value and showed how to do it. Haha, I feel so good. Spiritual bypassing. No. Do something. You don't feel like doing something? Do something that you want to grow right now after this video. Okay? And drop in the comments what you're doing. Maybe it's relaxation. Maybe you go into the sauna. Maybe you go into getting a massage. Maybe you make a podcast. Maybe you have anxiety. Have the anxiety and do the podcast anyway. Have the anxiety and go to the gym anyway. All right? Drop in the comments what you're doing.